Do you really wanna taste it? Hi, welcome back to another cosplay prop build. We have Peacemaker Season 2, dropping back in August. I think it's fine time to talk about this 3D printed helmet. So I actually made an attempt at a Peacemaker helmet many years ago with nothing but a tiny 3D resin printer, making it in lots of tiny parts, and the result was shithouse, to say the least. So I wanted to take a better swipe at this. I've outsourced a 3D printing part to your boy, Spandex Clad Hero, over on Etsy. Go check him out, link in the description. And as always, the print was of amazing quality, and it had quite a fair bit of weight to it, albeit slightly oversized after overestimating the size of my Swede. But it's a display piece, so it's fine. And before we begin, be a lamb and hit those likes and subscribes. Thank you. So as always, step one is sanding, and more sanding. I'll get rid of all the layer lines. And once that is all done, it's time for the filler. Using the car body filler spray from the local discount store, this serves to further mask the layer lines and any potential superficial blemishes. Remember to always wear appropriate PPE while working with sprays. Only an absolute cretin would wear nothing but a cloth face mask. A total fool, an absolute liability who shouldn't be trusted to give arts and crafts walkthroughs. Anyway, from there it's time to prime it using a gloss black. The glossy finish will come in handy down the line as we're aiming for that mirror chrome look as depicted in the show. And then once dry, it's airbrush time using SMS's Hyper Chrome. I got to work giving the whole helmet a coat. Man, this paint is magical. It looks horrible when it's applied, but then within seconds it levels out and gives this great metallic chrome effect. And at this point it's looking pretty good. All it needs now is some clear coat or varnish to seal in the paint and hopefully give it a bit of extra shine. Bosh! There we have it. Looking good, beautiful, big, but beautiful. Another fine addition to the collection. Hopefully season 2 is good. At the point of filming this, it hasn't aired yet, but I do look forward to checking that out on Pirate Bay. And what are you making right now? Sound off in the comments below and let me know. And if you have any questions or suggestions for things for me to make, let me know. And as always, thank you for watching. Peace out.
早上好，中国！现在我有冰淇淋。